We got 6 people. Okay. For today's DanTian practicing, the lesson 4. The details is like this. Based on the second lesson, when you inhale, second lesson, when you inhale, you think your E or your move your internal energy from your south pole to your chi high. And then when you exhale, you go back. But today, we go a little long way. In fact, 3 times longer. When you inhale from your south pole to your chi high, that's the first 1/3. Then second 1/3 from chi high, move to your waist side to expand your waist side. And the last 1/3 from your waist back to your kidney area, or say your back. And then when you exhale, you go back the same route, go back to your south pole. And then if you cannot do that without help, so you can try, the help is that for the first 1/3 inhale, you expand your ab. Then as you try to do the second 1/3, you drop your body, slouch like that, so that it can help you to expand your side. And then the last 1/3, you bend forward a little bit, then it will help you to expand your back kidney area. Then as you exhale, you go backwards to that. Okay, so how about, so now we have 7 people. Can most of you do that?
Yes, I have a question. Is it, so basically this technique is to teach us how to prolong the inhale and exhale, right? How to prolong it, how to...
No, not prolong. This particular one, the purpose is that now we are going longer, more different area. The next one will be help you to prolong. So see, otherwise you say it seems that. So the next one, this is the turtle one, is how to prolong. Yes.
Breathing. Okay.
Turtle breathing will be help you specific design to how to prolong it. So this one is only goes to different area. Remember, we were always in the south pole to chi high, right? And the lower abdomen, so you focus on chi high and dantian. So we never go out. Now we're starting going out, going to your waist, to your kidney area, to your back. So that's like a belt. So some people will make it more philosophical, make it little dramatic. They say, okay, that's the belt meridian. That's fine. So now we are doing, essentially people will say that goes to the diamond. Yeah, but it's more longer or bigger area path, longer path.
Okay.
Yeah, we go the longer path. Hopefully you practice this, you get this no problem. And the next week, we're gonna help you how to prolong it, how to make it longer. Yeah, so maybe you can say this one is make you a little longer, a little bit, but like I said, so the design for the class is next week is the focus on how to make your breathing longer, prolong it.
Right. Yeah. So it's even longer next week, but this, for some reason, yeah, for some reason it makes me actually breathe longer, inhale longer and exhale longer.
Good, good. That's good. That's even better. Yes, yes, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Next week, I'm gonna help you even longer. Yes, yeah. That's why I really like this particular method, right? I mean, So you really just one step at a time. And yeah, so I see most of people can do that, right? So Elaine, can you do that?
Yes.
Good. So Agnes, Elaine, Virginia. So Xin, can you do that?
Yes. Yes, I can do that.
Good. Okay, Jackie?
Not really.
Okay,
Sorry.
that's fine. That's fine. So practice, right? So it should be you should be able to do that, and still you still can catch up with the help the bending, expanding, right? Try that. So you need to just focus. So see the purpose for the first three classes is try to give you a chance to practice. You can use your mind or you say your E to control something, right? First it was very vague, very mysterious, or we call it xuan. Now, since you practice, you can sort of make it more reality, and then you can do that. Based on that, you can do that. So now you still can use this help. So practice a little bit more. So every day, 30 minutes. So you still have a chance to catch up. So Albert, how do you think? Albert, can you do that?
I think a little bit.
Sort? Yes, that's good. See, we only just started it, right? So practice. So you will get better and better. How about Maypo?
Yes.
Good. Yeah. See, so we have a small audience, but see, almost everyone can get this sort of right. The other thing is that for Jackie is that based on my past experience teaching for Qigong, so a lot of people will say, oh, some classmates, they already have different feelings. They can reach this, reach that. I still can't. You start feeling frustrated, and you feel a little anxious. That so I cannot catch them up. No, but you need to build up your psychologically. You say, no, I can do that, and if you practice, you will reach about the same level or similar level at the end. Say 3 or 4 months. If you practice same amount, say daily, some people they will have a dramatic feeling, but you don't have feeling. That's fine. But at the end, you will feel that. Okay. So someone did not mute it. Okay, so I guess so since most of you have that feeling a little bit, and then so even if you don't have feeling, that's fine. Just practice. You definitely can catch it up if you practice. Okay.
Thank you.
Good. Go home practice.
All right, thank you.
At home practice.
Okay.